Okay, so the way this small series will be constructed is basically after this video is made, the other videos in the series will be about like coding the actual items in the game. But I won't like code like every item, of course, just a few. And I'll try to pick some items that will like the code can inspire you to like create your own items in the future, or like just some other selling items. So this video, I think you know what it's about because of the title. The first one I'm going to say is ignore these folders. They are just plugins. Ignore those folders, but we're going to actually put some folders now, and these are going to be all the possible items you can get. First, you got the melee items. If you played Asylum before, got the melee items, got the ranged items, and then we got the misc items. I don't know how to spell miscellaneous. I actually don't. Anyways, if you've played Asylum before, your first start will always be a random melee. Your second will be a random range. Third will be a random miscellaneous. That's like in the free for all game mode. I know Asylum recently got an update, which that doesn't always happen anymore. In like tower control or something. So anyways, after you do that, I'm just gonna put some items inside. My bad. If you wanna add an item, it will be a tool. And the thing about the tools is they won't. For now, the tools won't do anything. So I'm just gonna name this melee 1, and I'll make this melee 2 and melee 3. Now I'm going to duplicate this, put it inside ranged. Name this ranged 1, ranged 2, ranged 3, and we're gonna do the same thing inside misc. Misc 1, misc 2, misc 3. Now we're actually gonna code. Basically, for now, basically you're just gonna get a random like hotbar, a random kit every time you reset your character or like join. So in order to do that, we need a script. Pretty sure this is expected. And first we're gonna detect when a player joins. So game players logo player. I mean, my bad. I did these a bit too much. Player added, connect function player. Now we're gonna do player dot character added, connect function character. Now to give a short explanation, it's just gonna detect when the character is created, when the player joins the game, and once the player joins the game, it's gonna start detecting whenever that player loads a new character, like when it's resetting or it dies. If it does, it will it's gonna obviously get the random things. First, let's add in some variables. So the melee folder is going to be inside server storage, see, and melee items. Make sure you named your folders correct, or your folders correct, or this might not happen. Now we're gonna change this to ranged. This to ranged, okay, with a capital because this is the name of the folder. Misc and misc items. Now, what we are going to do is, when a player joins, we're going to clone a random item and put it inside of their hotbar. So it's going to be easy. First of all, is the melee item. So we're going to do local random melee item equals melee folder math.random, because we're trying to get something random. This melee folder. And I forgot to add something. We gotta get children here because we want to get the stuff inside the folder. My bad. Forgot to do this. Now you guys might be wondering what this does. Basically, whatever's inside the brackets is gonna be what the script looks for, and it's looking for something random from 1 to, and what this hashtag means basically means how many stuff is in the folder. So it's gonna look for a random item between 1 and 3 because there's 3 items. So yeah. So once you get your random melee item, we're gonna clone it because we don't want to get the actual thing out of server storage. And now we're gonna parent this into the player backpack. And if you guys don't know what a backpack is, basically your hotbar. And Roblox just named it like that. We gotta make it like that. And we're gonna do the same thing for the range and misc. Random ranged item, random ranged item, and we're gonna change this to ranged folder. This to ranged folder 2. Finally for the misc. Misc, and these two. Now let's try this out. I'm not really worried about memory leaks right now. If you guys don't know what a memory leak is, then I guess you don't have to worry about it right now. So, just saying. Now let's see if this works. I'm gonna test the game. And yes, you see we got the second melee item, got the third ranged item, and we got the first misc item. And yeah, it works really well. I don't see anything wrong with it.